In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subtasks in Asana. If you're looking to break a larger task into smaller, manageable pieces, subtasks are a simple and effective way to add structure without cluttering your project. To begin, log into Asana and open the project where your main task lives. You can work in either the list or board view. Choose whichever view you're comfortable with. The process works the same in both. Find the task you want to break down and click its name. This action opens the Task Details panel on the right side of your screen. If the panel doesn't appear, double-check that you clicked directly on the task name rather than just the checkbox next to it. Inside the Task Details panel, scroll until you see the Subtasks section. It's easy to spot because you'll see a plus sign followed by the Add Subtask option. Think of this section as the home for all the smaller to-dos that support your main task, keeping everything organized and connected in one place. Click Add Subtask to create your first one. A new line will appear where you can type the subtask name. Keep it short and action-focused, like Draft Outline or Collect Assets. When you're done, press Enter to save it. If you need another subtask, just press Enter again to create the next one, and continue until you've captured all the pieces you need. Don't worry about perfect order right now. You can always drag to reorder subtasks later as plans evolve. Next, enhance each subtask with optional details to make them more actionable. Click any subtask to open its mini task view. Assign it to the right person so there's clear ownership, and add a due date to keep timelines on track. If there's important context, like links, instructions, or acceptance criteria, add those to the description. These details help prevent confusion and make it crystal clear what the outcome should look like. When you're done, you can return to the parent task by clicking its title at the top of the panel. And that's it. You've transformed a single task into a set of clear, trackable steps that live neatly under one umbrella, keeping your project tidy and your team aligned. And that's how you create subtasks in Asana. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.